answers.
The process, known as muography, detected a chamber that appears to be so large it could fit the entire Statue of Liberty from head to toe.
This is it, guys. The pyramids. Wow. Okay. This is. Well, look at this. Incredible.
Every single block is bigger than this car.
Yeah, it is insane. It really is.
Are you ready for some climbing?
I have goosebumps on my calves right now. Oftentimes, we throw around the words awesome or monumental, and we don't really think about these words, but when you stand in front of the Great Pyramid, the word awesome is in fact true.
Built from more than 2 million limestone blocks, each weighing thousands of pounds, the pyramid is aligned perfectly to the cardinal points of the compass, north, south, east, and west, suggesting that its builders possessed extraordinary geographical knowledge. According to mainstream Egyptologists, the Great Pyramid was built by the pharaoh Khufu entirely on a single and very controversial discovery. In 1837, British explorer Richard Howard Weiss claimed to have found the name of Khufu graffitied onto a stone roof of a chamber inside the pyramid. However, it was later discovered that Weiss had written in his private journal that he found nothing in the chamber that looked like hieroglyphics. Some modern researchers suspect it may have been a forgery by Weiss's team to ensure that his expensive expedition was considered a rousing success.
University system. But Egyptologists and archaeologists and geologists are discovering new things about Egypt all of the time that completely shakes the foundations of what they thought they knew about ancient Egypt. We're even finding their structures in Egypt much older than what the mainstream Egyptians would say.
As far as ancient astronaut theorists and a number of prominent archaeologists are concerned, the Great Pyramid was likely built long before the reign of Khufu. There are some who believe the colossal structure could even be more than 10,000 years old and date back to a period predating that of the Great Flood.
The main reason this pyramid is the most magnificent of all of them is not because what you're seeing here is what you're about to see, is what's inside. Let's go.
Is it possible that whatever lies within the newly discovered void in the Great Pyramid will reveal not only incredible truths about ancient Egypt, but about the history of humankind?